If you're here right now, feeling heavy, low, or emotionally drained, I want you to know you're not alone, and you don't need to force yourself to be better. This is simply a space to rest, to be held, and gently receive healing energy. Find a comfortable position. Allow your body to sink into where you are. Gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and softly exhale. Again, breathing in and letting go. Whatever you're feeling right now is okay. You don't need to change it. You don't need to push it away. Just allow yourself to be exactly as you are. Now imagine a soft, warm light gently appearing above you. This is Reiki energy, loving, gentle, and deeply supportive. It begins to slowly flow down towards your body. This light enters through the top of your head, softening the weight of your thoughts. If your mind feels foggy or heavy, just let this energy hold it for you. Now the energy moves into your heart space. Where sadness, numbness, or emotional pain may sit. There is nothing to fix. Just allow this warmth to gently surround it. Feel this healing energy flowing through your body, through your chest, your stomach, your arms, down into your legs, all the way to your feet. Even if you feel tired or empty, this energy is working quietly, restoring you. If it feels okay, repeat gently in your mind, I am allowed to rest. I am supported. I don't have to carry everything alone. Even now, healing is happening. Now, just stay here, resting in this calm, gentle energy. Let it hold you. When you're ready, begin to bring your awareness back to your body. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. And when it feels right, slowly open your eyes. Be gentle with yourself today. You're doing better than you think, and you can return to this space whenever you need support.